along, I'm gonna teach you step by step how to make this bow. Cheetah print is the hot item. Sometimes it's either on or it's off, but if you went to market, you saw cheetah print with a lot of things. So my star of the show on this color palette that I'm doing is going to be the cheetah print. So we're gonna make sure we get good coverage of that. And people are using it for summer, they're using it for fall, winter, Christmas, all the things. So cheetah print is gonna be the star of the show. This is a 1.5 inch. We do have a 2.5 inch available in this as well, but that's what we're talking about today is cheetah print. So let's do a bow. I've got a 2.5 inch hot pink velvet here. I'm gonna dovetail. Okay, let's do a loop. Let's do a loop. We're gonna do a little different though today, maybe. Okay, so one loop with our hot pink. Hot pink. This hot pink is always really good. So let's do 2 loops with it. So let's dovetail. Hot pink is a great item. It's been really big for Easter. It's gonna be big for Christmas again. We saw all the things pink. So I'm gonna do a good bit of this hot pink here. So here we have just a couple of little loops and tails with our hot pink, and I've dovetailed on it. Now let's go in with this black and white Harlequin. I'm gonna do one loop with it. I'm gonna put in my hand twist, one little loop. Let's do a longer tail on that. Okay, one loop with the Harlequin. Now let's do some yellow crystal shine, which is really, really vibrant and real pretty. Let's do a loop with it. The longer tail, I'm gonna twist and do a loop. And I think I'm going to cut this tail just a little bit shorter. I'm gonna do dovetails. You can cut it at an angle as well. Okay, so I've got everything dovetailed except this little black and white Harlequin. We're gonna get it dovetailed. Okay, so we got our yellow in. Now let's go in with our cheetah print. So I'm gonna do a couple of tails with the cheetah print. Okay, so first one I'm gonna do is do a tail at the, just a loop at the bottom, and I'm gonna cut this one at an angle, okay? And then I'm going to do a tail, a longer tail, and a loop at the top. Cheetah print for the summer. Love it. Now we may even curl that when we get it finished, okay? Let's go in with some orange. Orange is pretty. I love orange, hot pink, and red sometimes. This is gonna be actually pretty with this cheetah print here. This is our Swiss dot. All of these products can be found at TMIGifts.com. Let's cut this one a little bit shorter. Don't wanna get them all long on one side. Okay, and then this green. Oh, this vibrant, vibrant green. I always tell people hot pink or green, that yellow's gonna show up on your door, but you always want to try to get something that's gonna, if your door's from a distance, or even if it's up close, that's what's gonna pop is your greens and your hot pinks. Okay, so I've done one tail of green, 2 loops, and a longer green tail on the other side. I've dovetailed it. So since the cheetah print is the star of the show, I want to come in right at the end, and I'm going to do just a short tail at the bottom, one little bitty loop, one other little short tail here. Actually, I'm going to angle cut that one. Okay? Then we're going to do the zip tie. Really good and tight. Cutters, cut that zip tie off. Cheetah print for the win. And look how pretty that is. All of these products can be shopped at TMIGifts.com.